Hey, it's Hyde from In the Loop here. I am at Georgia Gold Rusher, Six Flags over Georgia. About to take my very first ride. Been watching this. Nice little launch to get going here. Oh, that kicked on fast. Oh, every time already. Launched up to the top. We get pretty high. Oh, that water's close. Oh, lots of great time. Getting really high. Oh, just getting faster. Oh, a lot of hang time. More hair time. Very nice. That was a lot of fun, a lot more airtime than I expected. Really smooth too, and it goes up a lot higher too. It goes up really close to the top. It was a lot of fun. The ride replaced Splashwater Falls, which was your standard kind of water ride, but you know, with the park operating now all the way into January, it makes sense to replace it with a ride that could run all year long. Reflecting on my ride, I was surprised at how kind of fast it has. A lot of get up to it. I mean, it's pretty short from one end to the other, so distance-wise, so it has to really get moving to get up those hills. And you can see there's a water element, but you don't get wet. You don't even really notice it when you're on the ride, so nothing to worry about there. And here's the queue with some really nice, it's always nice when it's like wood and not just like the metal tube kind of switchbacks. Even you look all around the ride, there's rocks. They did a really good job kind of creating some atmosphere around here. You can see even the landscaping underneath the one drop. The park sent over this awesome drone shot B-roll. And just to kind of wrap things up before we get to the full POV, really enjoyed the ride. Had a lot more airtime and a lot more kick to it, like I was just saying. And I think it's a great kind of family ride. It's intense enough that, you know, coaster enthusiasts will really enjoy it, but families will really enjoy it as well. So make sure to get out Six Flags over Georgia this summer. You'll really like it.